I was gifted this mini magnetic building block set, and this might be one of the easiest ways I've found to keep my daughter entertained without a screen. What immediately stood out to me is how compact this set is. It comes with 49 pieces in this little metal tin, so it's super easy to throw in a bag for car rides, flights, or even just bringing along to a restaurant. Once we opened it, I loved how quickly my daughter could start building. The magnets are strong enough to hold everything together, but still easy for little hands to use, so there's no frustration trying to make things stick. You can build all kinds of things, little houses, cars, random creations, and it really keeps her engaged. It's one of those toys where she just keeps coming up with new ideas, which I always appreciate. I also like that the pieces feel smooth and well made, so I don't have to worry about rough edges or anything like that. And cleanup is honestly so simple, because everything goes right back into the tin, no lost pieces all over the house. For me, this has been such a go-to for quiet playtime or when we're on the go. If you're looking for something that's fun, easy to travel with, and actually keeps kids busy, this is a really good one to have on hand.